వెల్కమ్ టు జాబ్ క్రియేషన్స్ లేటెస్ట్ వాకింగ్ జాబ్ అప్డేట్స్తో మీ ముందుకు వచ్చేసాను. 2 తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల్లోనూ ఈ వాకిన్స్ అనేవి కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అండ్ ఈచ్ కంపెనీ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ డిఫరెంట్ ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ క్వాలిఫికేషన్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ లెవెల్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అండ్ డిఫరెంట్ డేట్స్లో వాళ్ళు వాకిన్స్ అనేవి కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో వీడియోని స్కిప్ చేయకుండా చివరి వరకు చూస్తే మీరు ఎటువంటి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ కూడా మిస్ అవ్వకుండా ఉంటారు. ఫస్ట్ కంపెనీ ఈజ్ రాధాకృష్ణ ఆటోమొబైల్స్ లిమిటెడ్. They are conducting walk-ins for the position of a trainee. So they are hiring freshers for the trainee sales positions in Hyderabad, Guntur and Vijayawada locations. Engineering freshers and MBA or preferably from automobile industry candidates can apply for this. Your remuneration will be between 13,000 to 15,000. It depends upon the candidate's academic credentials, and along with the salary they are also going to provide incentives and other benefits like ESIC and PF etc. Training period will be up to 6 months to 1 year. If you are interested in this particular opening, you can send your updated resume to the mail ID of the HR, which I am going to mention in the description box. I am also mentioning the mobile number of the HR. You can contact the person if you have any queries. Next opening is from Centurion Networks Private Limited. They are conducting walk-ins on 7th August for the post of design engineer. Experience required for this position is 0 to 1 year. So even freshers and candidates who are having experience till 1 year can apply. And they are basically looking for freshers who have completed BSc, diploma or BTech. The work location is going to be in Hyderabad. And for this they are conducting a walk-in on 7th August from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. at Visakhapatnam. Good news here is that all the candidates who have passed out in the year 2018, 2019 and 2020 can apply for this position. If you have completed either diploma, BTech or BSc in 2018, 2019 and 2020 with an aggregate of 60% and above, you are eligible for these positions. You should have knowledge in AutoCAD, GIS applications, which will be an added advantage. Good communication skills and interpersonal skills are required for this position. You should be willing to work in rotational shifts. Candidate will be trained on various tools for telecom mapping projects. Design the network layout using different applications. You can find the address of the venue and timing along with the date in the description box. Interested candidates can definitely appear for the walk-in interview, and please don't forget to follow COVID rules during your walk-in interview. Next walk-in is from IIFL. They are conducting a walk-in interview for the position of sales manager, and experience required is 1 to 6 years, and the work locations are going to be in Karimnagar, Khammam, Warangal and Hyderabad. For this, they are conducting a walk-in in Hyderabad location on 7th August and 8th August from 10:30 a.m. to 4:30. I'm going to share the walk-in venue details and timing in the description box. Now coming to the roles and responsibilities of this position. For the position of loan manager, processing of gold loans at customers' premises and verify KYC at customer doorstep. You will be responsible to travel within the assigned territory cluster for disbursing loans as per the lead process. Responsible for lead generation through existing customers database. Coordinate with respect to stakeholders for grievance handling related customers, disbursal process etc. Responsible for strict adherence to process policy guidelines laid by the organization. For the position of sales manager, you have to generate leads through reference and self sourcing to convert potential gold loan customers, ensuring contact center lead conversion through personal meet prospective customers at their premises to pitch company's benefit and explain offerings to convert positive sale. Achieve weekly and monthly sales targets by converting customers and share required MIS and details with central team time to time. Involves frequent daily traveling within assigned area to within the assigned territory or cluster, and you must be willing to meet customers at doorstep, and you must be good in communications in Hindi, English and Telugu. In case because of any reason if you are not able to attend the walk-in interview for this particular opening, I'm going to share the email ID of the HR in the description box. You can send your updated resumes to the particular email ID. So any graduates with 1 to 6 years of experience can apply for this position. All the best to all of you. Stay tuned to Job Creations for more such latest job updates.